Now imagine an HGV lorry that runs on diesel, but rather than pollute the atmosphere, it actually produces exhaust gases that are cleaner than the air sucked into the engine. It might sound too good to be true, but researchers at the University of Brighton say they've developed an engine which does exactly that. Their groundbreaking split cycle engine has already proved itself in lab tests, and the company they're working with in Shoreham says it could be commercially available within 5 years. Our environment correspondent Yvette Austin reports.
An invisible killer. It's estimated air pollution, much of it from traffic, is causing up to 36,000 premature deaths in the UK every year. And with HGVs responsible for around half the fumes from our roads, researchers in Sussex are concentrating their efforts on cleaning them up.
So this is different to a normal engine. In a normal engine we compress and burn the fuel in the same cylinder. In a split cycle engine we compress gas in what we call a cold cylinder and burn the fuel and expand in a hot cylinder. By simply separating those two processes, then we get a lot more control over how the fuel is reacting, how it's burnt, and by doing that we can improve the efficiency and massively reduce the oxides of nitrogen emissions, the NOx emissions.
It's taken 5 years to develop this engine, in which the cool second cylinder is key. Liquid nitrogen is used to enhance its performance.
So the liquid nitrogen is very cold. It's at the moment minus 192 degrees centigrade, and we inject that into the compression cylinder and that cools the gas as it's being compressed, and that gives us a big improvement in the overall efficiency and reduces the emissions.
If it could be put into HGVs, huge improvements could be made to air pollution levels, particularly in Brighton, one of the worst polluted areas of the southeast. The city's on a Friends of the Earth list of nitrogen dioxide hotspots, which also includes Maidstone, nearby Wateringbury and Shoreham Gravesend, where there are serious breaches of the government's air quality objective of 40 micrograms in 1 cubic metre of air. Scientists think the new engine could eventually have exhaust gases cleaner than the air it sucks in. So will it ever get out of the lab?
The immediate next stage beyond that is to put it into a truck, heavy duty on highway, medium duty on highway, but also off-highway vehicles, agriculture, construction, because the fuel saving benefits and the air quality improvement benefits also apply there. So within 3 or 4 years, there will be trucks running around on the road.
The developers say this is unique and has the potential to help save lives across the world. Yvette Austin, BBC South East Today, Brighton.